Crystal cat litter, litter box maintenance made easier with odor-locking litter crystals that absorb moisture. Odor Control Cat Litter, these fresh step crystals have 30 days of odor control guaranteed. Our longest-lasting odor control, versus other fresh step litter. Ultra-lightweight, 8 pounds bag of crystals is the same number of uses as a 28 pounds bag of clumping cat litter. Low dust litter, for cleaner surfaces and clear air, we developed a low dust formula. Fresh step cat litter, fight litter box odors with scented fresh step crystals that's created with your cat's health and happiness in mind. Fresh step crystals, premium cat litter is a long-lasting, lightweight premium cat litter with odor and moisture-locking crystals. This litter keeps your house smelling its freshest, with less work and less litter. These super-absorbent crystals trap moisture on contact, and when compared with regular clay cat litter, they lock in odors 5 times better. Cleanup is easy since unused crystals sift right through scoopers, allowing one full box to last up to 30 days for one cat. And when you do need to change the box, this extremely lightweight cat litter makes it easier than ever. It's gentle on cats' paws and 99% dust-free. Cats in clean-smelling homes can coexist, thanks to Fresh Step. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for heavy urinators. I have been testing different crystal litters to find a way to deal with my cat's tendency to produce a lot of urine, as he is a very large cat, part Maine Coon, and also has diabetes. I have tried Sco-On, Pretty Litter, and So Fresh, the Petco brand, along with this one. This is by far the best in terms of absorbency and longevity and has better odor coverage. Since the crystals are larger, it tends to track more, but it requires very little maintenance other than scooping poops, where the other brands recommend daily stirring. My cat could pee, and if I check the box, there is little to no evidence. It lasts a lot closer to a month than the other brands too. I usually get 3 to 4 weeks out of it before I have to change it, where the other brands barely lasted 2 weeks. Unfortunately, this brand is becoming hard to find and the price keeps getting jacked up, but I will continue to hunt it down because I haven't found anything better.